हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू सचिन क्लासेस। आज हम हिस्ट्री क्लास 8 का चैप्टर 2 फ्रॉम ट्रेड टू टेरिटरी द कंपनी एस्टैब्लिशेस पावर के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1, मैच द फॉलोइंग। आंसर: दीवानी राइट टू कलेक्ट लैंड रेवेन्यू। टाइगर ऑफ मैसूर, टीपू सुल्तान। फौजादारी अदालत, क्रिमिनल कोर्ट। Rani Channamma led an anti-British movement in Kittur. Sipahi Sepoy. Question 2, fill in the blanks. Answer: A. The British conquest of Bengal began with the Battle of Plassey. B. Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan were the rulers of Mysore. C. Dalhousie implemented the doctrine of lapse. D. Maratha kingdoms were located mainly in the western part of India. Question 3, state whether true or false. A. The Mughal Empire became stronger in the 18th century. False. B. The English East India Company was the only European company that traded with India. False. C. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. True. D. The British did not introduce administrative changes in the territories they conquered. False. Question 4, what attracted European trading companies to India? Answer: India was rich in spices, silk, cotton, indigo and saltpeter. These items were cheap in India but had high demand and high prices in Europe, so the companies came to earn profit. Question 5, what were the areas of conflict between the Bengal Nawabs and the East India Company? Answer: the Nawabs wanted control over trade and opposed companies' fortification and non-payment of taxes. But the company wanted free trade, no duties, and more political power. Question 6, how did the assumption of Diwani benefit the East India Company? Answer: by getting Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, the company could collect revenue. This money helped them maintain their army and strengthen their rule. Question 7, explain the system of subsidiary alliance. Answer: introduced by Lord Wellesley, it forced rulers to keep British troops and pay for them. If they failed, they had to give part of their territory. Question 8. In what way was the administration of the company different from that of Indian rulers? Answer: the company made new laws, courts and a proper revenue system, while Indian rulers followed old and traditional methods. Question 9. Describe the changes that occurred in the composition of the company's army. Answer: the company army grew very large, had many Indian sepoys, used modern weapons and was trained in European style.